Welcome back. We can also use an image that we take with our mobile device, and we can upload that image to ChatGPT, and we can iterate about that image. In future iterations, you will be able to interact with ChatGPT in real time with live video. But to demonstrate ChatGPT's ability to see a photo that we generate from our mobile device, we are going to start a new conversation. We're going to open up the audio. Hello, ChatGPT. I'm going to take a picture.
That sounds great. What kind of picture are you planning to take?
The picture will be of the keyboard of my personal computer. And I'm wondering if you will be able to tell me about the benefits of owning this personal computer when I take a picture and I upload it to you.
Sure, I can help with that. Once you upload the picture, I can tell you more about the keyboard and any visible components of your computer. From there, I can provide information on the benefits of owning that particular setup. Go ahead and upload the picture when you're ready.
We will now take the image inside of ChatGPT and we will upload the image. So we'll click on the plus button. And what you'll notice is that we have run out of uploads for this particular element. So to demonstrate this, we are going to move over to a mobile device that does have the ChatGPT Plus system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.